Welcome friends in science lecture 4 lesson 3 atoms and molecules. Now today's topic is how to write down a chemical formula. For writing down a chemical formula, first of all we need to understand about the valency of atoms and molecules. Right, that is their ionic stage. Now in their ionic stage we have been given a chart in our textbook itself on page number 37. This page number 37, you may see this particular chart 3.6 table is been given to you, that you need to learn it out. Now this particular are the names of the ions that are supposed to be learned. Like Na is having a valency of +1. So these are the number of atoms which are having +1 valencies are sodium, that is symbolized as Na plus, potassium as K plus, silver as Ag plus, and copper as actually copper 1, it is known as cuprous. Generally spoken as cuprous as Cu2 plus 1, sorry. Then 2 plus valencies include as magnesium, calcium Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, zinc 2 plus, iron 2 plus, and copper 2 plus. It is named as cupric. Fine, this is spoken as cupric, or in this it is spoken as ferrous. Okay, it is 2, it is given, so you will be taking this as 2. Even the barium is there, zinc is there. So many of the different other elements are also there. Barium Ba2 plus. Fine, zinc is there, and many other different elements are there which are having 2 plus valencies. Fine, so this will be cupric. Aluminium is having a 3 plus valency, iron is also having a 3 plus valency. This is called as ferric, this is called as an ferrous. Now in +1 valency, other are hydrogen, which are non-metallics by the nature, that is hydrogen as +1, hydrogen as -1 is called as an hydride. Then the -1 valency is chlorine is chloride, bromine is bromide, iodine is iodide, and it is fluorine, it is fluoride. This is not given, then I am still speaking to you. Then oxygen 2 minus, this is 2 minus in valency, so this 2 minus is taken as oxide. Ide is everywhere added here, negative ions. The valency is, now what is a positive valency is losing an electron, and this is a negative valency is gaining 1 electron. This will be 1 as -1, and if it is 2 then they are gaining 2 electrons. Oxygen as oxide and sulfur as sulfide, 2 minus, 2 minus. In -3 range it is nitride, and phosphorus also as phosphide, but not given here. Fine. Then the molecular stage, that is polyatomic, more than one atom is present. Then it is ammonia as ammonium. Then negative ions is OH -1 hydroxide, nitrate as NO3 minus. Then this is hydrogen carbonate HCO3 minus. Only carbonate as CO3 2 minus. Sulfite ITE is there, ITE for 3. SO3 is sulfite, and 8E is 4. SO4 2 minus. These are 2 minus. Sulfide, sulfite, and sulfate. Sulfide is only sulfur. Sulfite it SO3 minus 2 minus, and sulfate is SO4 2 minus. So they are all sulfur products only. And phosphate SOPO4 3 minus. Now how to write down a formula? Na is having a +1 valence and chlorine is having 1 minus. So we have to do a cross multiplication, that this is 1 and this is 1. Here it 1. So Na plus and Cl minus gives you NaCl. 1 1 here. Fine, 1 1 here. Like the same way in polyatomic also, Na plus and OH minus is a polyatomic molecule. So OH minus, so whole valence is -1. So 1 here by this and 1 here by this. So giving it cross as 1 1, this gives you NaOH, sodium hydroxide. The same way in terms of calcium, if you see this is 2 minus, 2 plus here, and oxygen is 2 minus. So 2 comes from this side and 2 comes from this side as cross multiplication. So Ca 2 plus and O2 minus gives you CaO. You cannot write down 2 here in terms of cross multiplication. 2 coming here and 2 coming here. Don't write down this way because that will be wrong. You have to divide it by a simple common one, and by dividing you will get 2 divided as Ca and O only. In the same way here also, barium 2 plus gives you 2 valency and SO4 2 minus gives you 2 valency. So Ba2 plus and SO4 2 minus gives you BaSO4. Fine, does not give you Ba2 SO4 2. Don't write down this way. This is the correct method of writing. Going furthermore, giving odd numbers, that is a different valencies, like carbon is having plus 4 and chlorine is having 1 minus. So 1 is going to come from this side towards the carbon and 4 is going to go towards chlorine. So this symbol turns out to be C, that is carbon 1. This is given as 1 to this one, and chlorine is given 4 by carbon. So CCl4. The same way in magnesium hydroxide, this is Mg gives 2 valency and OH minus gives 1 valency. So 1 comes to this side and 2 comes to this side, turns out to be MgOH twice. 1 comes from here and 2 comes from this here. This gives you Mg twice. Same way if you see here in aluminium oxide, Al gives you 3 plus valency and oxygen gives you 2 minus. So 2 comes here and 3 comes on this side. So aluminum gives you 2 valency here, right, and oxygen gives you 3 valency here. So Al2O3, aluminum oxide. Same way in polyatomic, calcium is 2 plus and PO4 is 3 minus. So 3 is donated from towards calcium and 2 is donated here towards phosphorus. Formula turns out to be Ca3PO4 twice. Ca3PO4 twice. Calcium phosphate. The same way in ammonia, NH4 plus and SO4, both are molecule. And SO4 2 minus, this gives you 1 here and SO4 gives you 2 here. So NH4 turns twice and SO4 once. So ammonium sulfate. Fine. So this is how you write down the formulas. You can make n number of formulas. Some of the examples are given in your exercise and in your textbook also. You need to solve it out. Fine. Thank you. I hope so you understand how to write down a chemical formula and understand it out. Fine. Thank you for this particular lecture.